Lesson was learned this morning, not to give up in bad weather. By not leaving, I was rewarded with a spectacular sight. All seems quiet at the moment, but it's soon about to change. Ah yes, there's something building. I think word has got out. Here comes some more. And the feeding frenzy begins, diving headfirst for fish. Shouldn't have thought there's any more room. Here come more. It even looks like they're flying below the radar. It's about to get out of control. Full bellies, it's now time to move to a different location. Thank you for watching. See you all soon.